Hello, this is Sarah from the Paper Cut. Today I'm going to show you how to use our waterfall insert to attach to the front of the card. The finished product, when you pull down, your little squares flip around like one of those old-time flip books. So, this is what our waterfall insert looks like. It's pre-die cut on the bottom and then it's scored. We are going to fold it in half, which I've already colored this bottom section, and then we are going to mount and fold on all the scores. So it kind of folds like that. Now we need to attach a piece right here, unless we want that to be white on our card. On this card that we are doing, we're going to attach a purple piece. So I'm using my ATG gun. And I've already pre-cut it to fit on there exactly. You can do whatever strips on here you want, but if you don't cover it up, it'll just be white on the front of your card. So now we are going to put tape. These are our scores, and I'm going to put tape right below our scores. And then I'm going to attach these squares that I've already pre-stamped and pre-cut out. I am using a set from Impression Obsession. It's the Eat, Drink, and Be Scary Monster set. So I'm going to use tape and put tape below my scores. Probably using a little bit narrower tape gun would be advisable. However, this is the one I had handy. And then I'm just going to attach my squares right below my scores. So I've got my first one. You can decide and put them in whatever order you want to put them in. Then I've got my second one. It's going right below my next score. Then my third one is going right below my next score. Then my last one is going right below the top score. So now this piece is going to attach to the front of our card, except we are going to attach it to some layers. So I'm going to use my Japanese screw punch because you don't want any tape back here, otherwise it will not slide. So we're just going to use a Japanese screw punch or a regular hole punch, put 2 holes and attach it to our layers. The Japanese screw punch is nice because it just attaches, or you can just push your hole wherever you want it. Then I'm using my brads. Separating them. Separating those little buggers can be hard. I just got new fingernails, so they're not working very well. Okay, so then we have our mechanism that will pull up and down. I can now put tape on the back of here and attach that to the front of our steno card. So I'm just going to attach that right to the front of a steno card. The one other piece that we need to add is something to pull down on. So on mine I have just a circle that I'm just going to put tape on half of it. Make sure no tape is sticking out. And then I'm just going to attach that to the very bottom edge of our waterfall insert. So that is our waterfall insert, pre-die cut and scored, so it's easy to just attach right to the front of a card.